I think the European life sciences industry, across the sectors that we work with, so branded pharma, the medical technology segment, as well as the generics environment, for slightly different reasons, but they are all, I think, at a point where they're realizing that this growing trend that has been coming for some time, that puts pressure on the price of profit achievement, is getting to a point where the leakage, the money that is not realized and transformed into profit, is becoming so significant that it's compelling a lot of them to act.
Profit is an issue for the industry. Companies need to find a way to improve the profit, but they can't find in Europe. They can't find profit by growing the market because the market is very steady in Europe. So they need to find other ways. They need to be more effective and efficient, and they are discovering that optimizing the price is one of the ways.
Some companies are talking about double-digit percentage reduction in price achievements year over year. So the speed at which these factors are coming into play, putting pressure on price achievements, is accelerating, creating an environment where the pain is significant. Profit, margin, performance of companies is suffering. Money is little on the table. We estimate at Model N that there is probably somewhere between 5 and 25 billion euros just in Europe in revenue leakage across the industry segments we are working with.
One of the challenges in regards to this, particularly in Europe, is that companies are really working in silos. They work by product line, they work by country, and the combination of the two, meaning that at the end of the story, who decides the price isn't strategic, it's just looking to their specific product line or country. So it is not an optimization, it's a local optimization maybe. So what is really missing is an overarching view that put together the whole set of products, countries, markets, and etc. And on top of that, understand the implications on the bottom line.
What I would like to see from my area is certainly that we are much more proactive in terms of almost mapping out a life cycle strategy for your pricing, and I think that's where we can make improvements, because it's all about time. It's all about having time to prepare for the inevitable, right? So that you are not taken by surprise. You know what's going to hit you. You know where it's going to hit you, and you are able to put proper mitigation initiatives in place in good time.
Current organizational structure need to change in order to be able to do a real optimization of prices. So change management, absolutely. And of course, the final step would be an IT tool that can support that. And I think the angle which is more interesting in this respect from an IT perspective is having a tool which is able to do analytics, analyzing enormous amount of data, and find out and suggest a solution.